Hi, I'm Tim Clark with Gassville, USA. Today we're going to take a test drive in this beautiful 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. It's a very recent, low-mile restoration car. It's got bucket seats, center console, the Hurst his and her shifter, and also cold air conditioning. Let's go for a ride. Well, I just enjoyed a really fun test drive. Altogether, in multiple trips, I've driven the car over 100 miles and I've been really impressed with the restoration. The steering, the brakes, the engine, transmission, the rear end, the suspension, everything just works really nice, and in my opinion, it feels like driving a brand new car. The radio does not work. I don't know why. It doesn't even power on. I don't know why. The air conditioning does blow nice cold air, and I did have an opportunity to check out the his and her shifter, and that was kind of fun as well. Speaking of the restoration, a large folder of restoration receipts and documents does come with the car. In all, it's just a great car. It's not a race car. I would consider it a fun weekend car into town, church, restaurant, movie, out on a date night. Or I would personally feel confident in taking it in a cross-country road trip. It's just really that nice. Thank you for watching, and please check out more videos at GassvilleUSA.com.